In this video, we're going to be looking at Russian twists, which involves sitting on your glutes and rotating a weight side to side. So it can be a dumbbell, a plate, or a medicine ball. Now, most of the time, people will raise their heels off the floor. We can cross if you prefer. From there, we can rotate. So ensuring that we're emphasizing the rotation at the chest. So turning to either side. We can add weight. Same again, we can keep the elbows bent and bring it to the floor, or we can go a little bit straighter with the arms. So looking more from the side, leaning back, nice high chest position, and rotating through. Now, if we're working with a heavier weight, we can keep the heels down. We lean back to engage the abdominals and the obliques, chest high, and we can rotate. And we can keep it just off the floor or bringing it down to touch the floor on either side. So either variation is absolutely fine. Whether you want to work more stability, the feet off the floor, or load the exercise, lean back and rotate with a heavier weight.